Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Bfst Foot Wrap is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to relieve plantar fasciitis pain, and in this video, we will deep dive into this product, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks based on user reviews and expert opinions. We will also compare it to other similar products on the market and provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about whether or not this foot wrap is the right choice for you. Number 5. Bfst Socks Plantar Fasciitis Socks. These socks offer targeted support to ease heel and arch pain. Enjoy all-day comfort and a faster recovery. Check the size chart, use your arch circumference for the best fit. This ensures optimal support and comfort. Lightweight and breathable, they're comfortable for all-day wear, even at night. Wake up feeling refreshed. They provide compression to improve blood flow and support your arch experience, enhanced comfort and pain reduction. Many customers love them and come back for more. We offer various colors to match your style. Slip them on for instant relief. The open-toe design and snug fit provide breathability and support. Our size chart helps you find the perfect fit. We offer 4 sizes to accommodate different feet and arches. What we like? If you need comfortable, all-day support, this is a great option. It's easy to slip on and provides targeted compression for pain relief. If you're looking for everyday comfort and pain reduction, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They've been helpful for managing foot pain during busy days. The compression level is just right, not too tight, but firm enough to support the arch and alleviate the soreness I often feel after standing for extended periods. They have decreased the swelling in my ankles and give my feet the support they need. For the first time in over a decade, I can go through a day without terrible plantar fasciitis pain. Because of these socks. I wear one pair all day long, and wear a fresh pair overnight. They're comfortably snug. Like the best hug. But for your foot. Number 4. Bfst Plantar Fasciitis Socks. Are you tired of plantar fasciitis pain? These compression socks offer the support you need to stay active and comfortable throughout your day. Getting the right size is key. Check out the size chart to ensure a perfect fit using your arch circumference for optimal support. Lightweight and breathable, they're designed for all-day comfort. Whether you're active or resting, wake up feeling refreshed. These socks provide compression and arch support to improve circulation and alleviate plantar fasciitis discomfort. Highly recommended by our customers, these socks come in a variety of colors to match any style. Experience the difference today. What we like? These socks offer maximum comfort and breathability, perfect for all-day wear or nighttime use. The targeted compression helps alleviate pain and improve circulation. If you value comfort and breathability above all else, then this is for you. What people say. I bought these a full year ago. I was suffering from plantar fasciitis pain in my right foot that affected a lot of my everyday activities. After wearing these socks for a week, the pain was mostly gone. Completely. I couldn't believe it. I bought Bfst Plantar Fasciitis socks last week and have worn them steadily ever since. They feel good and I hardly notice they are there. I did have to loosen up my running shoes, but that is no big deal. I like that I can wear these with my flip-flops or chacos, even if I do feel like I am making some kind of huge fashion faux pas, because taking care of my feet always comes first. I wear them at night and don't even notice them. Altogether, in the 1 week that I have had these socks, I noticed that my recovery time has increased and my pain has decreased. It was recommended to me by Dr. to treat tendinitis and plantar fasciitis. This one is easy to put on, then tightens a bit while in use. Not too tight to use overnight. Number 3. Foot and ankle brace socks. Are you suffering from plantar fasciitis? It provides effective relief, reducing foot and ankle pain. Perfect for everyday use or sports. This brace offers a comfortable and adjustable fit for both men and women. It delivers targeted compression for stable support and improved mobility. The compression sleeve provides therapeutic pressure, boosting circulation and aiding in ankle sprain relief. It's ideal for workouts or everyday wear. Recovering from an ankle injury? This wrap helps reduce pain and swelling, speeding up the recovery process and providing extra support. The breathable fabric ensures all-day comfort while promoting healing. It's perfect for managing ankle sprains and improving blood circulation. What we like. This ankle brace provides adjustable support and compression for a customized fit. It's ideal for those seeking relief from ankle sprains or other foot conditions. If you need a customizable and comfortable solution for ankle support, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit is just right. They provide excellent support without cutting off circulation. They effectively reduce swelling. The compression is firmer with these than previous sleeves I've used, a positive in my situation. They're tight, but don't cut off circulation. I find them comfortable to wear. The material is soft and strong and feels like it will last a long, durable time. These are easy to wash and dry. Number 2. Fittest Pro 14-piece Plantar Fasciitis Kit. Are you tired of plantar fasciitis pain? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for relief and support. Unlike other sleeves that restrict circulation, this kit offers consistent, steady compression for lasting comfort. It's made with high-quality, durable materials. The heel grips and pads are made of premium medical-grade silicone for superior protection. It's designed to stay in place comfortably, even under your socks, preventing bunching and blisters. Whether you're an athlete or just need everyday foot support, it provides strong ankle support and a full range of motion. We're committed to helping you find relief from plantar fasciitis pain. This kit is designed to provide the support you deserve. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a variety of tools for plantar fasciitis relief. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting support and comfort. If you want a complete solution for plantar fasciitis pain, this kit is your best bet. What people say. I appreciated the nice variety of heel supports in this package. The clear gel set was very comfy and felt great to walk in. Love the therapy wraps. Great to wear to bed or all with or without shoes and other inserts. Nice that antibacterial too. Also love the silicone gel heels, which are great cushioning for when heel bottoms are already in a lot of pain. My 2 favorite pieces are the slip-on elastic pads, perfect for my open-toe sandals, and the silicone cool gel heel cups. My feet go ah when I put them on. The open-toe compression socks are great to wear with sneakers or for sleeping when my feet are swollen from dancing. Number 1. NatraCure Ice Pack Wrap. Introducing the NatraCure Ice Pack Wrap, designed for quick and effective pain relief. It's reusable, so you can use it again and again. This gel ice pack provides soothing cold therapy to hands, wrists, and feet. It's perfect for relieving soreness, aching, and inflammation. Whether you suffer from heel pain, plantar fasciitis, or arthritis, it offers targeted relief where you need it most. It's also great for carpal tunnel and Achilles pain. The compression therapy helps reduce swelling and inflammation while improving circulation. It gently lifts plantar fascia tissue to ease arch and heel pain. It features an adjustable hook and loop closure for a comfortable, customized fit. The small size is perfect for hands and wrists, while a larger size is also available. It's a reusable ice pack, making it a cost-effective and convenient solution for your pain management needs. Get yours today. What we like. This reusable ice pack provides quick cold therapy and compression for pain relief. It's perfect for targeted treatment of specific areas. If you prefer cold therapy for pain management, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy to use, good coverage, stays cold, good quality. The Velcro straps keep it in place. I have bone spurs on the top of my foot. I use it for the top of my foot instead of under it. It holds the ice pack firmly in place against the needed area, and you can put it on as loose or as tight as you like. The ice pack is removable and doesn't take up much room in the freezer either. After being frozen, the ice pack keeps cool for about 20 minutes, which is a perfect ice application time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.